Are you sabotaging your career with these communication mistakes? We all want to succeed in our careers, right? We put in the hours, we chase the opportunities, we strive to make a difference. But here's the thing. Sometimes the biggest roadblocks to our success aren't about our skills or experience. They're about something far more fundamental: how we communicate. So are you ready to unlock your full potential and become a communication powerhouse? In this video, we'll delve into the 5 most common communication mistakes that might be holding you back, and more importantly, how to fix them. The silent career killer is the poor listening skills. We've all been there, sitting in a meeting, nodding along while our minds are a million miles away. But here's the problem: when we don't listen actively, we miss crucial information. This can erode trust, damage relationships, and create barriers to collaboration. So, how do we combat this all-too-common communication pitfall? The answer lies in cultivating active listening skills. Start by putting away distractions and giving the speaker your undivided attention. Lost in translation? The perils of unclear communication. Imagine this. You've just received an email from your boss, but the instructions are vague, the language is ambiguous, and you're left feeling more confused than before you opened it. Unclear communication creates confusion, wastes time, and can lead to costly mistakes. The good news is that clarity is a skill that can be learned and honed with practice. By prioritizing clarity and conciseness, you'll ensure your message hits the mark and achieves its intended purpose. Jargon jail: when your words create walls instead of bridges. Using excessive jargon is like speaking a foreign language that only a select few understand. It excludes those who aren't fluent in the lingo and can make them feel left out, confused, or even inferior. The key to breaking free from jargon jail is to prioritize plain language. By using language that is inclusive and accessible, you create an environment where everyone feels comfortable participating and contributing their ideas. Beyond words, the power of nonverbal cues. Our bodies are constantly sending out signals, subtle cues that speak volumes about our thoughts, feelings, and intentions. When you're aware of your nonverbal cues and use them intentionally, you become a more compelling and persuasive communicator. Maintaining eye contact, using open gestures, and smiling genuinely, these simple actions can make a world of difference in how your message is received. Pay attention to your body language in different situations and seek feedback from trusted colleagues or friends. Adapting your style for success. Just like a chameleon adapts its colors to blend in with its surroundings, effective communicators adjust their style to suit their audience and the context of the interaction. The key to becoming a communication chameleon lies in developing your emotional intelligence, your ability to read people, understand their perspectives, and tailor your communication accordingly. Before you hit send on that email, deliver that presentation, or lead that meeting, take a moment to consider your audience. Adaptability is about being mindful of your audience and adjusting your communication style to create a more meaningful and impactful connection. Unlock your potential. Mastering the art of communication. So, there you have it. 5 common communication mistakes that could be holding you back, and more importantly, practical strategies to overcome them. By mastering the art of listening attentively, communicating clearly, ditching the jargon, embracing the power of nonverbal cues, and adapting your style to suit your audience, you unlock a world of opportunities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more career tips. Let me know in the comments, what's one communication habit you're working on? See you in the next video.